Hello class 11. Today I am going to start with chapter 7, that is structural organization in animal. In this chapter, second part is morphology and anatomy of cockroach. In this part of this chapter, we study about the morphology, anatomy of cockroach, including respiration, digestion and reproductive system of the cockroach and circulatory system also. Now first we start with the morphology of the cockroach. As you know, cockroach are brown or black bodied animal that are included in the class Insecta of the phylum. This is class Insecta and phylum Arthropoda Now they have antennae, legs and flat extension of the upper body part that conceals head. Now exoskeleton present, that is made up of chitin. Exoskeleton हमारी बॉडी के अंदर क्या होता है? एंडोस्केलेटन है. बोनी स्केलेटन इज इनसाइड द बॉडी. Here exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Okay. Now they are pest. What is pest? They are pest because they destroy the food and contaminate it with their smelly excreta and also transmit various type of bacterial diseases. Okay, why they are pests? Because they destroy food and contaminate it with their smelly excreta and also transmit various types of the bacterial diseases. Now body divisible into three parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. Body divisible into head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, now head is a triangular in shape structure containing compound eyes and antenna. Now before we start with this structure, now see the structure of this cockroach and their body part. This one, compound eyes, this one antennae or antenna, this one wings. Wings are of two pair. Upper one is also known as elytra. Wings, two pair of wings are present. Okay, and abdomen 10 segmented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one is abdomen. 10 segmented abdomen. This one thorax. Thorax have three parts: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. This is prothorax, this one mesothorax and this one metathorax. And foreleg and hind legs. Front one foreleg and this one hind legs. Now this one wings are of two pair, that is first one, that is called elytra. Okay, first pair of wing also called elytra. And now here this structure, this is known as anal serous. This is anal serous. Okay, and hind leg, and this one is metathorax, prothorax, mesothorax. Head, this one is head. This combined here, this is thorax, and this one 10 segmented, this is abdomen. Now thorax divide into three parts, that is prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Okay, now head consists of mainly 6 segments. Head contains 6 segments and fused together. 6 segments and fused together. Okay, the small triangular shape head basically triangular in shape. When you see like this, it is like this. It is like this. It is triangular in shape. Triangular in shape, and entirely attached to the thorax by a narrow flexible neck. Attached to the thorax by a narrow flexible neck. Okay, triangular head, triangular in shape and attached attached to the thorax by narrow flexible neck covered by plates known as head capsule. Covered by plate that is known as head capsule. Okay, known as head capsule. Now compound eyes are present. This one compound eye. Why compound eye? Because ommatidia are there. Is like this. A single unit is called. The single unit is called ommatidia. We will discuss later on in this chapter. This is compound eye. One pair of compound eye present on each side. The exoskeleton of head consists of two epicranial plate or occipital sclerites which cover the dorsal and posterior side of the head. Okay, now mouth part situated at the lower end of the head. Where it is situated? Here at the lower end of the head. That is mouth part. Mouth part situated at the lower part of the head, and mouth parts are biting and chewing type. Mouth parts are biting and chewing type. And they consist of labrum. Mouth part consists of labrum and okay. Now mouth part consists of labrum, mandibles, maxillae, labium and hypopharynx. Okay, labrum is the upper lip and mandible, maxillae and labium is the lower lip, and hypopharynx, the labrum is the upper lip. It is broad, hollow, and mandibles are the pair appendage present on the east side of the mouth. Each mandible bears two surfaces, and mandible is like that. See here in this diagram, ऐसे edges होती हैं for cutting. Okay, and condyle. This one is condyle present here in mandible. It is a structure of mandible. Condyle present here. This one is condyle, and it is cutting teeth. And here prostheca also present here is a round structure with spiny edges, that is called prostheca. Okay. Now